Morning, guys. Um, got another video going on today on the golf. Um, so yesterday we did a job on the bike. Supposed to be like a 2 hour job, maybe a bit less, but for some strange reason, through a bit of mishaps and things, we ended up taking more like 2 or 3, maybe 4 hours. Bit of a disaster, but most of it's done. But we can't come back to that now until we've got more parts ordered off the internet. So today Rosie's left the golf with me, because I'm going to do a job on it, because there's a part I'll get to that's arrived. Basically last week I took it to get the aircon regassed, and after sitting there for maybe about 2 hours, he came through. He says to me, right, we've regassed it, there's no leaks, and basically we're going to give you the option, you can leave the gas in. I thought, that's a bit of an odd question. He said, or you can take it back out and we won't charge you. I said, what's the issue? He said, well, we've tested it now that the gas is in and the aircon's still not working. So I said, okay, then just take it out. And he's advised me to get the aircon compressor changed, but since then I've been advised that the clutch on the aircon compressor tends to, the teeth wear out, so it spins but it's not gripping it to compress the air. So today we're going to change the clutch off the aircon compressor, and then it's ready to get regas and try again. If it works, it saved £400 because the compressor clutch is only like 20 quid. Well, yeah, stay tuned. We're not going to do too much details about the change just because I don't think I've got enough memory, but stay tuned and I'll cover as much details as possible. Probably can't see from this angle, but it's just inside that cog. I'll get that off and show you the next bit. So we've got to take this one, this one, this one, not sure about that one, and that one. I'm going to remove this one, and the whole lot will come out so that you can gain access. Okay, so I've undone all these screws to take this off. The bottom one's loose as well, but to take that all the way out the way, I've now got to undo these ones, which is one up here, one here, one here, one at the back, and then that should drop out. Stay tuned. Okay, so we've gained access now. I haven't took it all the way off because I've bent it around and then put it behind there. This I've had to just drop down slightly along with the drip tray and then just sort of jam at the back of the shocky. Well, that there is what you're looking to change. That's your aircon compressor clutch. Now, from what I've seen, you just undo that bolt, but you've got to shove a screwdriver in there to stop that from spinning. While the screwdriver's in there jamming it, you undo that bolt and lever it out, and then it's the opposite way around to replace it. Now, I'm going to crack on anyway because I'm losing time. As I said, I'll cover as much as I can, but because we're sort of rushing, I can't like video the whole thing. Now stay tuned and we'll keep you posted. Now I need that other one back. Where's it gone? Ready? Yeah. No, that's not helpful. So anyone wondering why I'm doing this, I have to say I'm going to do the middle one. It's just because I've just watched the video and apparently it's easier this way. So I'll put it in there. Leave this top one. Let's try again. Where's me? Another one. That one there. Think. May need your assistance on this.
Right.
Right, okay, so sit rep. Same as yesterday, we were making good progress and we were trying to take off the bolt off the clutch from the compressor, and the bolt gave up the ghost and snapped. So I've put the new part on using the 3 bolts around the outside, but the middle bolt, the main one, the head snapped off it, so may have to put it in the garage to see if they can drill that out and put the new bolt on. But just going to put everything back together and that'll be it for today. So yeah, thanks for watching, stay tuned, follow our social media pages, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, so we've packed everything away now, but just a quick one just to advise so no one makes the same mistake I did. That's the new version of the bolt that snapped. I think it's up to roughly where my fingertip ends where it snapped, so quite a lot of it's still inside the car. And there's your compressor, and forgetting the light. Let's see if we can see. Yeah, basically inside there, the teeth are all worn out, so that's why the aircon's not been working. But my advice, so that no one makes the same mistake that I did, is before you try and take the middle bolt off, put a little bit of WD on it, or something similar. It doesn't have to be WD, but something along them lines. And if you don't do that, maybe heat it up a little bit with a heat gun of some sort, just to sort of, obviously the metal will expand as it cools. It should break any rust or anything that's holding it in place. That should prevent it from snapping like it has to R1. We're gonna possibly have to now take it to a garage and see if they can cut that off, or drill it off, should I say. If not, the only other option that we've got is to kill two birds with one stone, so to speak, and send it down to the garage still, get the timing belt done. While they're at it, they might as well change the aircon compressor. That's the only other thing I think of, but it's like silly price to get that done. You're looking about £400-ish to get the compressor changed, and that should have been a £20 job. But yeah, thanks for watching anyway, and we'll see you in the next one. The next one is possibly either something else on the bike, or if it's not that, it'll be either the wishbones on the Golf, or maybe the boost pressure sensor on the Golf. Don't think anything needs doing on my car. No, don't think anything needs doing on the CC, so it'll either be the Golf or the CC the next video, unless we go to some sort of car show or something like that. But yeah, I'll leave you be. Enjoy the rest of your day or night, depending on what time it is where you are, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.